Hello everyone, welcome to the Urinary and Excretory System series. Today I'm going to talk about our first unit, the components of the excretory. If you haven't done so already, I would highly recommend you to download my iPhone app called Urinary and Excretory System. This iPhone app contains course notes, flashcards, and quizzes that will allow you to study and memorize the knowledge and all things about the urinary and excretory system for your courses and for exams. It's completely free, so why not just try it if you have an iPhone? I have provided a link to a summary of my app, or you could also go to your iTunes and search for Urinary and Excretory System in the App Store. So now I am going to talk about the various components of the excretory system. The first component that I'm talking about is the liver, which is one, if not the most critical and important component in the excretory system. So what is the liver? Well, the liver is a vital organ whose purpose is for detoxification, protein synthesis, and the production of bile pigments. Skin. Well, what is the use for skin? Well, in the excretory system sense, skin maintains the body temperature through actions such as sweating, and also to maintain salt, water, and urea concentration, which is also known as perspiration. Large intestines. Large intestines is used mainly for expelling waste out of the body, or also known as defecation. Kidneys. Kidneys is another major component in the excretory system. Its use is to filter blood, to remove waste, and balance the concentration of water in blood. Another vital use of kidneys is the conversion of ammonia to urea and the excretion of urea. Ureters. Ureters are the tube-like structures that carries the urine products from the kidneys down to the bladder. Urethra. Urethra, like the ureters, is a tube-like structure that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. The bladder stores urine until it is eliminated from the system via the urethra that I described before. The nephron is one of the major parts of the kidney. It is tubules that the purpose of it is for filtration and selective reabsorption of blood. Each nephron contains Bowman's capsule and renal tubule. Peritubular capillaries. The peritubular capillaries drains reabsorbed materials into renal veins. It also maintains concentration gradient in the medulla of the adrenal gland. The Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule is a ball unit found in the nephron. This unit obtains blood plasma from the kidneys to the nephron for water and ion reabsorption. ADH. ADH is more of from the endocrine system than excretory system, but its purpose is actually for the excretory system. It increases the permeability of water. If you haven't done so already, I would highly recommend you to download my iPhone app called Urinary and Excretory System. This iPhone app contains course notes, flashcards, and quizzes that will allow you to study and memorize the knowledge and all things about the urinary and excretory system for your courses and for exams. It's completely free, so why not just try it if you have an iPhone? I have provided a link to a summary of my app, or you could also go to your iTunes and search for urinary and excretory system in the App Store. Now, this concludes my really fast lecture into the components of the urinary and excretory system, Unit 1, components of the excretory system. If you are still interested, please look at our other tutorials in this series. Thank you. Goodbye.